Alright guys, I got a Toyota Corolla here. The AC does not work. Alright. The AC compressor, which is located all the way down there, does not engage. Alright. The AC compressor does not engage. Alright. Very common problem, guys, on Toyotas, Acuras, Hondas. Alright. Look into a fuse box. Check your fuse. Check your relay. So this car right here has a box right here, right? And you're gonna push on this little guy and the box should open up. Right inside, most of the Toyotas, Hondas, and Acuras, they have labels, all right? So this car has a relay right here called M/GCLT, magnet clutch, all right? This right here, this relay right here, this gray relay right there, all right, will cause the AC compressor not to work. Over time, it goes bad, it gets corroded, all right? Inside, the terminals inside will not touch the contact. The carbon buildup will not, it will click. And sometimes it won't click and you could tap it and it will push the AC right on, all right? So, don't go crazy. Don't change your AC compressor. Check your relays on Toyotas, all right, guys? So very common problem on Toyotas. I've done so many of these, all right? This relay, 20 bucks, 24 bucks maximum. Find it online. Order it from your local store, all right? Do not take this relay and put it there, all right? This is a very important relay, all right? Just to test it, if you do want to test it, you can take this gray relay right here and swap it, but then put it back, all right? This is for the fans. I would even switch out these two relays right here. They're for fan, all right? Both of these right here, 1 and 2. Because the fans are working constantly, all right? That's probably the speed of fan 1 and 2. All right, this car does have one fan, but it might have a speed 1 and 2. But anyways, this relay right here, this gray relay, belongs to that magnet clutch for the AC compressor. And also, there is a fuse for AC, all right? So I'm not going to be looking over here right now, but all the cars do have fuse for AC, all right? And this one might have it inside somewhere. I cannot locate it here right now. I don't want to go through it. But check your fuses anyway. All right, guys? And that's how simple it is, guys. Matter of checking fuse and relay. And also on AC system, you do need to check a refrigerant inside the system. The line here, this is the low pressure line here, this fat one. And this is the low side, all right? This is the high side. This is the cap for high side. This is for the low side. You go open this cap. You can push on that little valve inside. It should have some type of pressure, all right? Just be careful you don't get in your eyes. Just push on it. It should have pressure, right? Sometimes it's a low pressure, it won't work, but make sure it does have it freon inside the system. So if this works, just do your AC a favor. Do AC service anyways. Sometimes it could be a low refrigerant, all right? Anyways, guys, thank you and subscribe.